Hi there, my name's Ashley and I'm here to help you get started on the Nomisma platform. As always, you can always get in touch with our support team. You should have their contact details by now, but if not, you can call them on 020-3021-2326 or you can email them at support@nomisma.co.uk. But if you need real-time help at any time when you're in the application, you can always go down to the Need Help section, which is just down here, and you can select one of these options. So you can type in your question and then you'll be able to find the answer to that question in real time just by selecting one of these options. So if I was to select set up SMTP email settings, it would then walk me through exactly how to do that. So if I select that, it's telling me to click settings. When I click settings, there's 3 steps on this. So it would guide me through every single step as to how I can do that. In addition to that, we also have a feature request button here where you can request an enhancement to the platform. But within tasks, you've got these onboarding tasks, and these are what you can use to help you get started and get set up on the Nomisma platform. So the first one is to enter your HMRC credentials, enter your company's house credentials, enter your advisor details. You get the idea. And once you do these, they'll tick off so that you won't have to do them again. But this checklist is designed to help you get started on the platform. And once you've done this, you'll be up and running and you can start servicing your clients. That's it for this video. If you need anything, feel free just to get in touch. Thank you. Take care. Bye.